And Colby does get his first strikeout of the night and of this season for the Big Red.
That ended the inning in SCSU's threat in the fourth as the game was still held scoreless. It would stay that way until the top of the sixth when Aaron Polensky was finally able to take advantage with one man on and 2 outs.
Off-speed pitch, hammered fair down the left field line, just under the glove of the third baseman. Schwellenbach to third. He's being way told. The throw comes in, it's cut off. Schwellenbach's going to score. Polensky does come through for the first time tonight.